Some foodstuffs are cultivated across the globe, but they usually have a very precise geographical origin. If we look at wheat, the first examples of growing wheat date from about 8,000 years BC in Mesopotamia. Wheat is a plant grown in a temperate climate and has expanded far and wide, geographically speaking. These days, it grows equally well in the prairies of the US as in the Argentinian pampas or on the Russian steppe. There are several species of wheat. The two most important types are durum wheat and common wheat. Durum wheat is grown in Mediterranean regions with a temperate climate and is used to make semolina, pasta, and bulgur, typical of Turkey. Common wheat is grown in continental areas with cool or temperate summers, like in France or Canada, and its flour is used to produce bread. Rice is another cereal which has spread far from its origins. The two species we cultivate are Asian rice, which came from the Far East, and West African rice, which came from West Africa. The first rice cultivations date from around 5,000 years BC in China. They spread to other Asian countries and then to the Near East and Europe. Since the age of discovery, rice has been cultivated on all continents. Corn is another example of a cereal now grown worldwide, but it originally came from southern Mexico. The first cultivations of corn date from 7,000 BC. The Mayan civilizations lived in southern Mexico and parts of Central America. Maya means maize, corn, and the Mayans referred to themselves as maize people. The Mayans had numerous dishes based on corn, both sweet and savory. They also had a wealth of various corn-based drinks. When we talk about the geographic origin of food, as well as corn, cacao and avocados also come from Central America. Watermelons are from Africa, and mangoes were first cultivated in India and Burma. Processed food can also be related to a place of origin. For example, numerous countries argue about who was the first to produce pasta. Noodles had existed in China for a long time when Marco Polo stayed there in the 13th century. But in the 12th century, people were already making pasta in Sicily. Whatever its origins, the first industrial manufacture of pasta took place in Naples in the 15th century. But it couldn't be stored for long. We had to wait until 1800 to discover the process allowing pasta to be dried properly.